click, drag, you will have a circle. After that, go to smart dimension, the diameter, whatever diameter is required. If I want it as 100, give it as 100, whatever is given in the column. Then select the circle, make it as 0.5. Thickness of this will be. Now how to divide the circle? This is very important. How to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Correct? We divided the circle into 8 equal parts. Horizontal line, vertical line, then a 45-degree line extended, then a 45-degree line extended. That is what we did manually. So how will we do it here? First, what should I do? Line option. Next, after this, line option. Then from here, take a 45-degree line, extend that line. From here, take a 45-degree line, extend that line. Correct? See what I will do now. What happened? Automatically, after you draw the circle, carefully observe. If you don't understand, tell me, I'll repeat. Okay. Go to line option. Just touch the circumference of the circle. Center of the circle will get highlighted. From the center, draw a radius. Okay, anywhere. After this, select the radius. Now there is something called as what? What is this? Circular sketch pattern. Select the circular sketch pattern. After I select the circular sketch pattern, you have this point 1, right? It is asking which should be the center. So it is taking the corner of the sheet as a center. No, I don't want this as the center. So select this point 1. Select this here, come to the circle center, select. So this it will take as a reference center to divide the circle into 8 equal, or now it is divided into 4. What should I do it here? Make it as 8, give it as. So we are utilizing the software to make our work easy, right? So we should find the ellipse option. Can you see an ellipse option? In ellipse you have different parabola, partial ellipse. I want ellipse. See, ellipse by 3-point method. Center, major axis, minor axis. You directly have an ellipse. So I'll show it to you when it is required in the second position. Now I'll directly go to the problem. What was the diameter? 360 LM. Fit option. Go to line. XY line, thickness of this will be how much? 0.25. Select the line, make it as 0.25. Go to annotation, note option. Here this is X, this is Y, VP, HP, and give it as OK. Now I will create a circle divided into 8 equal parts. Now go to circle option, create a circle. Okay, go to smart dimension. Dimension of this will be 60. Diameter of this will be 60. Make it as 60. Now how will I divide the circle into 8 equal parts? Zoom in the circle where? See, wherever you hold the mouse, scroll, that part will get zoomed. Zoom out. I'll just keep my cursor here. Now zoom in, scroll down, zoom. Always zoom in the area where you're working. Now go to line option, just touch the circumference. Center will get highlighted. From here, draw a radius. Now what should I do? Select the radius. Next, go to linear sketch. Under the linear sketch pattern, we'll have circular sketch pattern. Now go to point 1. Select the center. Make it as 8. Give it as. Now your circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Now I have to name this. Before I name this, I'll first project this. Later, both I'll name it together. Now go to line option. This end I'll project it. If you don't get the horizontal vertical symbol, what you should do? Move above the XY line, and later you can trim it off. Now come here again. See, same problem. Tools, sketch tools. Split entities always from right to left. Okay. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Sketch tools. Now go to split entities. Split here, plus split here, and split here. The software is built like this. ಅದು ದಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ದಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Then you open the soft. Select. Now thickness of this will be 0.5. Now I name this. Naming ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ? Naming ಬೇಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Here again A, B, C, D, E will be visible. These three will not be visible. Put it in the bracket. Same manually whatever you have done. Okay. Now I will select these lines. Given inclination. H14 inclination problem. And also a beta angle problem I sent you circular lamina last week. Have you solved it? Try to solve that. Now go to copy entities from here. Copy it onto the XY line. Now what should I do? Select this. Go to rotate entities from here. How much have I given? 40 na? 50 or 40? 50. I'll give it as 50. Enter. Not beta angle problem. The normal previous problem. 50. Give it as. Okay. Now go to line option. Project the vertical lines. So I've split here, so I know the end of these. I need not have to measure here. Directly split the line here. Directly I can identify the ends of the line. Project it. Now while projecting here, select the ends. Can you see here? Select the end of this line, horizontal symbol. Select the end of this line, again horizontal symbol. End here, horizontal symbol. Horizontal line, and from here also horizontal. Now go to trim option. Trim of the extra lines which is not required. Now very importantly here I will be utilizing a new tool, that is what? Ellipse. Manually what you are doing, identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points you are by freehand sketch you are drawing, correct? Now I will have an option here, ellipse by center point, 3-point method. One is identify the center, then the major axis, then the minor axis. So here intersection point, next the major axis, then the minor axis. Ellipse, intersection point, major axis, then the minor axis, and give it as okay. Thickness of this will be how much? 0.5. Now you have to move this. Hey, move ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? See, now while shifting this only, if you copy this, what will happen? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ನೇಮಿಂಗು. How will you know the points? For that, what should you do? You should also copy the lines along with it. What you can do is you can split it here. You can take the outermost rectangle along with these lines, or what you can do, I trim these lines here. I can take the innermost lines. So innermost is rectangle ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I know the 4 points. From here to here, if I copy this line, I will have another 2 points. From here to here, if I copy, I will have another 2. Next, for that, what you should do, I should split. Split ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, I'll go here, see, I'll show you both the methods. Whichever you feel easy, whichever is less time consuming, follow that method. I'll just now remove these lines. Directly I'll copy this. After I copy this, what I can do, go to extend. I can again extend of these lines. Okay, I can extend of these lines. This is less time consuming. Or what you can do is go to tools. Each line you need to what? That will consume more time. You can just check out both the methods. Whichever you feel easy, follow that. Not mandatory that whatever I teach you should follow. If you find any easy method, you can follow that. Or if you find any easy method, you please tell me so that I can teach others also. And before that, I just delete. What should I show? Directly this point, should I place it here or beta angle problem? What should I show? Or this one of the diameter is inclined to VP. ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? Beta angle ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗಲೇ. True length from here to here, apparent length. After you true length, locus, everything, from here copy this point here, place that here, this rotate and place it. ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ? ಎರಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Now go to line option, draw a line. This diameter is inclined to ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು angle, ಏನು angle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ. How will I place that? Now go to copy entities, copy this entire thing, go to now ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, from here select the entire thing, go to copy entities. From here I'll select and come and place it on this line. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Now select the entire thing here, go to rotate entities. This will be my point of rotation. Hold the arrow, come and place it on this line. See, can you see the change in color? Orange. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ place ಮಾಡೋದು. Orange ಆದಾಗ leave the mouse button, give it as so that diameter is inclined to VP. Next, now we in a problem, one of the point, circumferential point is touching VP ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದು. See how to do that. Now select the entire thing here, go to copy entities. From here I'll bring it here, place it on the XY line. Select the entire thing, XY line deactivate ಮಾಡಿ, go to rotate. This will be my point of rotation. So ಇದು diameter ಅಲ್ವಾ, so ಇದನ್ನ rotate ಮಾಡಿ, make it as 90 degree, leave, give it as. So this point is now touching VP. VP angle ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ? Yes or no? ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಞೂ ಅನ್ನಿ. ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರು ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಫೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ. See now, what is the true length of the diameter? 60 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 16 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes or no? So now smart dimension, what is the apparent length? 38. Line option, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು inclination ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇರಿ. Whatever is given to you in the problem, follow that. Okay. So how will I do that? Go to line, take a reference line. Now go to arc by center point, take the intersection point. So what is the true length? 60. Will approximately ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, r is equal to approximately 60 ಹಾಕಿ. Now come here, make it as 60, enter and give it as, now it is 60. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Go to line option, intersection point, this is your locus line. Go to arc by center point. How much is the? 38. Approximately, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್. Now go to, if you have taken the proper angle here, it will intersect. I have roughly taken it here, so if the angle is not matching, it will not intersect. So from here, I will draw a line till the intersection point. So this is your apparent length. How will I shift this here?